Hi, I'm David from Wrench and Rodent. Today we're going to make Yellowtail Rib Chops. This is definitely a dish inspired by Josh Nyland and what he's been up to down in Australia. Off with its head. And we're going to pull the collars. Right here's the rotator cuff. Get out and around that. First collar off. Second collar off. Open it up to the tail. We're going to take the scales off along here, just so we can get our knife in there nice and easy without having these little guys go everywhere. You see that we're just peeling that top layer, leaving the skin underneath. We're going to come in right here and slice just below the vertebrae. So now that we've removed all of this that we'll use for sushi, we're left with this. We have the bones going back here, so I'll always use the tail section. We want to do just like the swordfish bone marrow, there's a little break in between where the vertebrae come together. And you're just going to want to pop your knife in there and just kind of pop through. If you hit any serious resistance, like right there, you just grab your trimming scissors, clip it. Now, even though your knife is sharp, any pulling on those bones is going to unnecessarily stress out the meat. This is where we can get in and really see the bones. This is perfect ceviche meat. Okay, next up, you can see where these two groups of bones come together. Here are the muscles and the bones that control these little fins, and here is the spine. So you see these two membranes. We're just going to come in here, clip this off where it connects. Just cut this membrane. You can get gnarly. You can French them. A dirty little trick I learned was Frenching it with fishing line. It works really well. We have bone marrow. We have this muscle. We have a little bit of bloodline in there. Just like four-legged animals, anything cooked on the bone is going to be tastier because you've got all that extra connective tissue, all the bone there, keeping it nice and moist. Same as before, right between the vertebrae, nice sharp knife, right down, real gentle, and kind of be really light on the knife, just because if you do hit resistance, you want to stop and use those scissors. So then we have these little bone-in chops. So we're just going to season these with salt, pepper, and olive oil. We're going to cook them super hot, super fast, and we're going to cook them on the uni sizzle pan. Afterwards, we're going to top them with a touch of butter. We started with avocado seed mole. We added some veggies that were just growing seasonally behind the plot. Finished with a little bit of seasoning salt and tangerine oil. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, let us know what you'd like to see us do. And if you like this, check out our vegan cauliflower chop episode.